now I came to Krishna Baran baby to purchase car to my son. Let's see. I think even raining also is happening. Okay, let's go. Be careful. Leave the chappals here. I think. Come. Oh, hi. Full raining outside. Yeah, good. So I want to see cars to my son. How many collections are there? Okay. Which car you want? Big one? Which one is there? This is the three of big one.
Yeah, these three cars are big.
Huh? Which?
Yellow color.
Yellow color. How many colors are there in this?
6 colors.
6 color. Which are the colors?
Red color, blue color, and yellow color, military green color, white color.
Which color you want?
Green.
Want military green color? You like military green color? Okay. Do you have the stocks of military green?
Sir, available.
Will you deliver it today?
Yeah, today only.
Okay, sure then. What is the price of this car?
Price will give you, sir, best price, good price.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take that down.
Yeah.
To check it.
I wanted to check.
Steering wheel, yes, please.
Oh, so big car, man.
Very
What is the weight capacity?
It carries up to 100 kg.
Whoa.
Yeah.
You like it?
So how many kg you said?
100 kg capacity.
100 kg. I can sit now. I think I'm 65.
Yeah, easily.
Can we sit?
Yeah, you can try.
Oh. Okay. Wait. First time sit. Check. Wow. You also sit both. Front you sit both. Both is sit. Okay. Oh my god. Sit down. Oh, sit. Whoa! Thinking how it's running. Oh. My son wants to sit and check. Wait. Oh my god. I will sell my car and I will purchase this one. It's very funny. Sit. Oh, wait. Don't touch. Wow. You like it? Okay. Super. Okay. So green is there? Okay.
Up to 10 years, many kids are using.
Okay.
Yeah. But it can carry up to 100 kg. If there is
Super. The green is available, right?
yeah,
Military green?
also.
Sure. You can just give me one piece for military green color, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Come on. You go home. You'll play there only. You have to do assemble for this car?
Yeah, this is back piece one.
Okay.
Everything will come dismantled one.
Oh, okay.
So we have to assemble this thing.
Now who will do this assemble?
If you require, if you want, we can also do it.
Okay.
And it's very easy one. Inside there will be a manual also.
Okay.
We'll do at the doorstep also, assembling everything.
Your kids too?
Yeah, even kids also can do it. It's a very
Okay.
easy one.
Then you can send one day for assemble this car.
Yeah, we'll send.
Sure then. Okay. Do you sell online also?
Yes, sir. We sell online also,
Oh.
and we deliver to all over Pan Karnataka also.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
What about India?
India also we can do, sir. Right now we are delivering in
Okay.
this thing. We have to
Karnataka
give
only.
services also.
Correct.
Delivering is not main
Yeah, yeah.
this thing. Even we
Correct.
have to
Oh,
give
yeah,
a
yeah.
service for the customers.
Exactly. Okay. You can deliver
Yeah.
car. Okay.
Look at that side. Look.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು. ಹಾಗೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ 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 ರಿವರ್ಸ್. ಹಾಂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು.